Alright folks, we've arrived in Arizona. Here's our rental car. Look at this house that we have. VRBO, thank you. Let's go inside. Let's take you around. As soon as you walk in the door, to the right, you have a nice little small bedroom. Cute little room. To the left, when you come through the door, whole bunch of, almost like a pantry, but a whole bunch of closet drawers. We have bedroom off to the right here. Nice bedroom. This is a cool room. Bathroom, second bathroom. Nice shower. Hi. Third bedroom. My mother made a bed already.
Yep, she did.
Wow. We have a laundry room. Very nice. Washer dryer. Look, folks, pool table. The living room. Very comfortable couches. Very comfortable. Nice big TV. Little electric fireplace. Kitchen. My domain.
Little dinette.
Little dining area. And folks, wait till you see this. Oh, the outside. Grandma sleeping, getting her son. YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Grill, table outside. Orange trees? We got orange trees? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, no, they might be lemon. No, they're orange.
That's orange, and this is orange too. I think they're just not ripe yet.
Look at that, we got orange trees, folks. Oh, we got some ripe ones on there too. We might be able to try some of these. All right, folks. Oh, we're in Arizona, folks. Glendale, Arizona.
Oh, did you see the cactus on the side?
No, I didn't see the cactus on the side. I'll take a look later. But, yep. We got to see our daughter last night. We hung out with her for a little bit. And now we're just resting, relaxing. Oh, I forgot the other bedroom. I forgot the master bedroom. We didn't make the bed this morning.
Look at this walk-in closet.
Wait until you see this bathroom.
Oh, I love this bathroom.
Walk-in closet. Tub. Shower. Sliding barn door.
I love that.
Damn, I can't lock her in.
No, you can't.
Damn it. Alright folks, so we're going to be doing a little shopping with our daughter in a little while, going around to a few places, check out the area. We'll get back to you. Bye-bye.